In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unused companies in your Hubspot database. Keeping your Hubspot database tidy is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency and ensuring that your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. By clearing out unused or outdated company information, you not only streamline your data, but also help your team focus on relevant and active accounts. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the login button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on login will prompt you to enter your account details such as your email and password. If you have any trouble logging in, double check to ensure that there are no typos in your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Hubspot home. From here, navigate to the CRM. The CRM is the backbone of HubSpot where all customer relationship details are stored and managed. You'll find a button labeled CRM, and clicking on it will direct you to a range of tools designed for managing interactions and relationships with both potential and existing customers. Within the CRM, direct your attention to the Companies section. This is where all your business partner information is stored. Clicking on Companies will open a list of all the companies currently stored in your database. This list can often become cluttered with outdated or unused entries over time, which is why regular cleanup is so beneficial. To easily identify which companies might be due for a cleanup, focus on the column marked Last Activity Date. This feature records the last time there was any interaction with each company, such as a call, email, or meeting. By sorting these entries by their last activity date, you can quickly see which companies haven't been engaged with for an extended period. This approach allows you to make informed decisions about which companies to keep and which to archive or delete from your database. Companies with no activity over a significant period, say 6 months or longer, might be candidates for your cleanup operation. This process not only helps in data management but also in optimizing your marketing strategies, as it trims the focus to active and potentially lucrative partnerships. Take your time to review and make these updates regularly, ensuring that your database remains a robust tool for your business operations. Trust me, your team's productivity will reap the benefits of a lean and focused HubSpot setup. Thank you for watching this video on how to clean up unused companies in your HubSpot database. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.